How to cancel your Fortnite crew subscription. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can cancel our Fortnite crew subscription. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you're wondering how you can cancel your Fortnite queue subscription, first of all, head over to the Epic Games and open up your Fortnite game there. After opening up the Fortnite game onto your Epic Games, you'll be able to find the Fortnite home screen of the play. So on the upper side, you'll be finding different options like play, locker, shop, battle pass, quest, compete, career, etc. So you're gonna look up for the option called battle pass, the third one. The fourth one, just click on it, and on the bottom you'll be finding different options here like battle pass rewards, bonus rewards, quest rewards, magneto, and the one Fortnite queue. Just click on the Fortnite queue. You can find that option. Just click on it and you'll be able to find your subscription, like how many days are remaining. So just click on it. After that, you'll be taken to another page where you'll be finding your Fortnite queue membership benefits along with the other section, other options like cancellation info, subscription terms, and back at the bottom right can find that option there. Just click on the cancellation info since we are canceling our subscription. Just click on it. After clicking on it, you'll be finding this pop up here like cancel subscription confirmation. Just click on this cancel subscription. Before that, you may just read the terms if you want, like the membership will be effective until the end of your current billing period, and you will keep all your previously rewarded battle passes, V-Box, and crew packs. And you will also keep the all previously unlocked stages for your crew items, and should you decide to return, you will continue your progression where you left off. So you just click on cancel subscription after reading that, and you'll be getting this confirmation that you have successfully canceled your subscription. And after that, in order to confirm it, you can find this option called rejoin queue, which means your subscription has been canceled. So that's how you basically cancel your subscription on your Fortnite queue. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.